If you just got your Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro phone and you want to be able to use the long press of your power button to turn off your phone, here's where you can go to change this setting. To find these settings, use the quick access and tap on the settings here as the best way to get there. So go here now, and while you're in this area here, scroll down to additional settings, or you can type in the words power off like this here. And if you see the suggestion, go into it. If you don't, what you can do is go to additional settings. All right, so look for this. And when you're here, go to gesture shortcuts. And when you're in this area here, go down and you'll see power off right here. And you'll be able to change the settings. At default, when you first get your phone, it'll most likely be on this one here, so that if you use the power button long press, it'll access the Gemini if you have the global model. But if you just want to long press it to turn off your phone, switch to the one on the left side. That'll be the one that holds down the power button like this here to give you this power off menu here. And that's it for this guide here. Like and sub.